On which day did God create the plants and the trees? This is Eliseo, your Bible trivia buddy. On the third day, God created the plants, the grass, and fruit trees. He filled the earth with beautiful vegetation before creating the animals and people. Ang galing ng Diyos, no? Talagang mahal niya ang mga tao. It is written in Genesis chapter 1, verse 11. Then God said, "Let the land produce vegetation, seed-bearing plants and trees on the land that bear fruit with seed in it, according to their various kinds." And it was so. That's all for today's video. See you in the next Bible trivia. God bless you. Bye!